Hey everybody, it's Wes with Heritage Lawns and Irrigation. Hey, got some new things we're going to try for 2022, and as long as we've got this lovely March 1st or first part of March snowstorm, I thought I'd take a second and come around and introduce you. So, the fun part is we're going to start trying to add some new people this year to all of our videos. So you're not just sitting here looking at my face all the time. You're going to be introduced to other players within the Heritage team, and they will be starting to put out some good content for you too. So as we come in the front door, say hi to the office. Hi. And as we come around here, Matt, what are you going to talk about with everybody this year?
Hello, I'm Matt. I'm your lawn service manager. Me and Jason are going to be making videos about tips about your lawn, landscaping, and then also pest control. We'll be giving you tips and helpful hints on how to fix things and common mistakes that you see on your yard.
All right, cool. Lots of good stuff. And you won't have to listen to me all the time. You can listen to other people. Justin, interrupt you here while you're doing your designs. What are you going to talk to about this year?
Hi, I'm Justin. I am the irrigation service manager, and I'm going to come to you this year to talk about how we can more efficiently water and what we can do to make our sprinkler systems better.
Perfect. All right, so yeah, wintertime, he's over here cranking on the computer, designing sprinkler systems and doing as-built maps and all that fun stuff. Uh-oh, what's over here? We got a bunch working on training and sales and all kinds of fun stuff. And we come around here. Jason.
How we doing?
Doing good, man. So you're going to do a few less videos this year. It's not just you and me.
Yeah.
Get the whole team going.
Absolutely. As everybody probably knows, I'm Jason. I'm the lawn director. We're going to be doing videos for tips and tricks for your lawn and landscape needs.
All right, perfect. So we'll open it up to a wider audience. And I'm going to drag Sarah into this too. Sarah.
Hi everybody, I'm Sarah. I'm usually behind the camera, but I am the office director and marketing director. Hello. And I will be coming to you about talking about how to get the most out of your company, how to communicate with your company, and make sure you're picking the right lawn care company for your needs.
And by company, she means us, Heritage Lawns. All right, and to answer all of your irrigation questions, we're going to have Alex, our irrigation director, jump in on a few of these videos. Hey, Alex.
Hello, Wes. Like Wes said, my name is Alex. I'm the irrigation director here at Heritage Lawns and Irrigation, and I'll be coming to you with all things irrigation, and we will be talking a lot about how to save water and money throughout the season with efficient irrigation practices.
Perfect. That's what we need. Mix it up a little bit. Get the experts talking about what the experts know about. Last but not least, we've got the ever-famous Jeremy Alexander. Jeremy, what are you going to be talking to people about this year?
Let's see. I'll be talking about some DIY stuff and what to do whenever you're upset with your lawn care company. So
that's not us. You're never upset with us.
Right. Yeah, never.
Okay, so we've got lots of extra people going into the videos this year. We're going to try to round it up and keep it entertaining so you're not just listening to me all the time. But we're still trying to deliver you the best information as succinctly and thoroughly as we possibly can. So until next time, if you have any questions, by all means give us a call, 913-451-4664, or always visit us online at heritagelawnskc.com. All right, I look forward to seeing you on the lawn.